Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I want to show you how to auto scroll on YouTube Shorts. So open your YouTube app. You need to make sure that you are signed in into your account. So tap the profile icon at the top right corner and then go to the settings right here. And then on the third option, you need to tap on autoplay. Then here, you just have to toggle on this mobile phone / tablet. So when you finish watching a video, another plays automatically. So that's how you basically set this autoplay option on your YouTube app. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.